What up, guys? So one of the biggest questions I've been getting over the last few days is how is gaming with Starlink? I am Hamlik, and today we will be addressing how Starlink performs while playing your favorite online games. So I used to be a very competitive gamer. I played high-level CSGO and League of Legends for a really long time. About 3 years ago, my family and I decided to move out to everybody's favorite place, the middle of nowhere. So because of this change in lifestyle and move, I had to stop playing all my favorite online games just because it was so frustrating to deal with all the lag issues, and it just wasn't fun. You know, it's rage inducing, right? It makes you want to throw your keyboard through your monitor, or punch your monitor, or you know, whatever other rage inducing acts you can think of. It was kind of a hard change because I've always been an avid competitive gamer my entire life. And because of the internet options out here where I live, it just wasn't in the cards anymore. I do, however, try to scratch my itch and play these games every now and then. Yelling at my kids and wife to stop what they're doing so I can squeeze every little bit of internet juice out of our internet. Which I'm sure all of you gamer guys out there is a terrible experience, not worth having. The amount of rage and frustration from all the lag really overcomes you in a fun-loving way that just makes it one of the most sought-after experiences on Earth. So this will be my first time doing some online gaming with Starlink. But before we get into that, I want to do a speed test first just to see if we're getting the same speeds that we were getting in the previous video. If you're wondering, in my previous video, I unboxed, set up, and ran speed tests with Starlink from where I live here in the Pacific Northwest. So if you missed it and you want to watch it, it'll be linked down below in the description, and it'll also be linked at the end of the video. So you can look forward to that as well. I put out daily gaming content, so subscribe and turn those alerts on so you don't miss out on any of the action. Let's not waste any more time. Without further ado, let's get it. Alright, so let's get into the speed test and then some gameplay. So usually we range between 60 and 140. So it's a little disappointing that when we're doing this video, we're at the lower end, more towards 80 download. But it is raining right now, and it is the Pacific Northwest. So I don't know how much that is actually affecting it or not. But, however, it's still 10 times better than my regular internet, so I can't really complain that much. It don't matter. Okay, anyways, it's right there. King's at the top left. And...
way to go.
God, I haven't played in a long time. Okay. So we have 150 ping to whatever server we got. Let's choose team. Let's go to the east side. Just so we can use our field leg here. So whatever server I got on, this must be like an East Coast server. I haven't played this in so long. Why am I getting a random gun? No, I want randoms off. What is this shit server?
Nice shot, nice shot. Holy.
Can't believe I used to be good at this game. Back in the day. But, okay, look. Before I was getting like 600 ping and it was just unplayable. At least this server might be a little rough. But, so look at my ping now. It's at 55, 56. So that's it's definitely playable. Like, I feel like with this, it's gonna fluctuate.
Very nice.
But even with the fluctuating, I think it's Can you? I think I'm dying. Anyways, even with it fluctuating, it's still playable. Like 110% playable. Like I can't. This is amazing. This gives me hope that I actually be able to play this game again and try to get good again. Like I can actually play the game. Like it's just nuts that I used to not be able to. Like I used to not be able to play at all, and now it's at least a possibility. I'm injured. Come on, pop up. About to die.
Very good. Nice with him.
But anyways, it's
Very good.
it's definitely playable. Like, there's no question about it. We're literally sitting at 55 ping at the top left there.
Nice.
It's fantastic. This was literally a game changer, man. Before it was just like, can't move, lagging, not allowed to move.
Nice with him.
This is pretty insane, though. I just never thought in a million years I would be able to play my favorite game again. And now it definitely seems like it's a possibility. It's just... words cannot express how... See, now I'm warming up. Now I'm warming up, baby. It's all coming back to me. I lied. But yeah, dude, it's definitely playable. It's not like at my old house where I would always have like 3 ping and I had like the best in town city internet. But it's definitely like, you know, I can play.
Very nice.
Like there's no
Nice shot, nice shot.
you know, it's not like out of the question, you know? And before, it is not even an option, and now, just look at this. It's insane. I can literally play the game. I just don't, I'm so in shock right now that, well, I don't know if I'm in shock, it's just kind of like, it's just nuts. Like, you know, it's like this is one of the things I decided to kind of essentially like I understood the fact that I was probably giving it up.
Nice. Very good.
You know? But now it's like I could actually just like if I want to feel if I feel like playing a game, it doesn't matter what the game is. Counter-Strike, League of Legends, it could be anything, man. Like look at this.
Nice shooting.
This is insane.
Oh, leave some for me.
Come on, bot Hank, you're about to die, buddy. Cheater! Okay, anyways. I think you guys understand.
Very good.
Well, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and turn those alerts on so you guys don't miss out on any of our daily gaming content. Yeah, dude. Starlink's awesome, dude. Game changer, life changer. You can play any games you want just like you could anywhere else in the world. Well, not anywhere else in the world, but just like you can in the big cities. And words cannot express how grateful I am to Elon Musk. It's pretty nuts, man. I get to do some of the things that I've had to miss out on because of where my family chose to move. So, anyways, yeah. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.
You always try to find a way out, buying yourself time. I'll make it easier for you and say goodbye. You can be on.